Change these 5 things and expect massive miracles in your life through the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you, we are giving away our free Miracle Hypnosis audio program to you. All you have to do is go to miraclemindhypnosis.com, claim your copy. This is not going to last forever, so go to miraclemindhypnosis.com and claim your free Miracle Hypnosis. It's designed to increase abundance, love, prosperity, better relationship. You're going to feel better. Oh yeah, all over the place. miraclemindhypnosis.com. Check it out. Okay, we're talking about 5 things that can help you. I mean, drastically help you receive more in your life of what you truly desire. You're here for a purpose. Your life has meaning. And so these 5 secrets, these 5 techniques will change you almost instantly. And you'll start to magnetize yourself and your energy field to attracting your deepest desires. I don't know what your desires are. Money, love, new house, better health, whatever it is. Follow these desires. Number 1 on our list, low energy. If you have low energy, I believe it's essential to sit down with a pencil and paper. And I would almost recommend that you take about 3 or 4 days off. And if you can put yourself in an environment where there's not other people around, where there's no outside influences, no internet, no texting, none of that. And sit down and really get in touch with who you are. Talk to yourself and find out what your true goals are in life. Why am I here? What is my purpose? What is it that I truly want to do? What is it that I truly want to feel? Get in touch with those feelings. I mean, if nothing were stopping me, if I knew I could not fail, if money were no object, what would I do with my life? Write it down. It has to be written. And what happens is by writing down your goals and your dreams in detail, in full living color, so to speak, you convert the low energy to high energy. In other words, most people that are low energy, aside from medical conditions, are low energy because they lack unclear goals, unclear intentions. They don't know where the hell they're going. They don't know what to do next. They know they want to feel better. They know they want to become something more than what they are. So I'm suggesting clear goals, clear intentions, and amplify that passion and desire that is within you. And that'll help you stop working from a position of want, which keeps you at a low energy level, into a position of desire and passion and I have. Oh yes, say it right now. I have all the money I desire. I have all the love I crave. I have the health that I depend upon. See, when you're operating from that mindset, low energy is just, it dissipates, it's gone. And you're operating from high energy. Number 2 is being negative and pessimistic. And what happens is that people who are negative and pessimistic, they are lower in vibration, lower in energy, and they're attracting more of the junk, more of the gunk that keeps them feeling pessimistic, cynical, because they're engaging in self-pity. I'm going to suggest that the antidote, here it is, self-empowerment. Say to yourself right now, for the next 30 days, I'm going to fill my mind with empowerment. I'm going to listen to empowering audio programs. I'm going to read empowering books. I'm only going to watch empowering movies. I'm turning off the news, and I'm only focused on positive stories, uplifting stories. I'm looking for biographies of people who have overcome great obstacles in their life. Everything I do, the food I eat, everything is going to empower me the next 30 days. No self-pity. No if you find yourself getting pessimistic about something, I will never be there on time. If you find yourself getting pessimistic, stop it right there. Now, you can use my technique. I used it many years ago. It worked. You put a rubber band, big, thick rubber band, on your wrist. And every time you catch yourself with that negative thought, that pessimism, that self-pity, you snap that rubber band. Oh, yeah, you'll stop right away. And get your mind for 30 days. Put it on the calendar. I'm doing a 6-week project right now. It's on my calendar. The start date, the midway point, the end date are on my calendar for 6 weeks. You're only asked to do 30 days. 30 days of total immersion in self-empowerment. Do that, and you will change that negative energy, that negative mindset, to an optimistic, positive, self-loving, I am worthy mindset. Number 3 is envious, jealousy. Ooh, he's got a bigger car than me. She's living in a bigger house. You see, lack of inward focus. This is the antidote again. When you find yourself being envious or jealous, maybe you went through a breakup and your ex is dating someone else and you're just, you're seething with jealousy. Focus inward. Get in touch with yourself. Focus on your vibration. Focus on everything that is within you that can empower you, that says to you, I am worthy, I am special, I am unique. I have everything I desire and more is coming my way. Write that down below here. I have everything I desire and more is coming on its way. It's just flowing to me. When you start to operate from that perspective, then you give up the envy. You give up the jealousy. And instead, when you see somebody with a big car or a new boat or a big house, you go, oh yeah, there's prosperity everywhere in the world. Number 4 is living a fear-based life. And living a fear-based life literally cripples you. It cripples your energy. It literally steals away your enthusiasm, your excitement to take positive, reasonable risks in life, to start that new business, to go ahead and get married, to have that baby, whatever it is. Fear keeps you trapped. I'm fearful. I just don't know if I can do it. I don't know if it'll ever happen. And how do you change that? The antidote is living a loved, gratitude-based life Oh, if you haven't gotten your gratitude journal out yet, if you're not using that gratitude journal on a daily basis, some people write whole paragraphs in books every day. You can write one thing in your book every day that you're grateful for. You can look for one stranger in your life every day that you can share love with. Live a love-based, grateful, humble life. And number 5, this is the big one. Oh yeah, here it comes. Focus on lack. That just is devastating. So the antidote is to focus on abundance. You see, I don't know how much wealth is in the universe. From my perspective, there's an unlimited amount of wealth. And wealth comes in many forms. It comes in the form of money. It comes in the form of friends. It comes in the form of family. It comes in the form of love. It comes in the form of health. But when you focus on what you don't have, listen to me, high flyers. When you focus on what you don't have, you attract more of it. Focus on abundance. Focus on what you do have. Because you have a tremendous amount of everything, if you really think about it. And more of it is flowing to you right now. And the more you focus on what I do have, on the abundance that I do have, on an abundance mindset, the more abundance will flow to you automatically. I mean, it's just absolutely incredible how it works, but it does. So the 5 things that you want to change are very, very important. I think this video is one of those videos that's worth listening to again. Just maybe. By the way, we didn't do a video yesterday because we were celebrating the full moon. Thank you so much for joining us. If you were with us for the full moon, if you'd like to join us for next month and get signed up, go to clearingandhealing.com and sign up for our full moon clearing and healing. Oh yeah, you have a great day. Have a great day. Focus on abundance. Focus on feeling good because this is your day. This is your time. Right now. Have a great day. You deserve it. Bye-bye now.